Hello, students and families. This is a quick walkthrough on how you can join Google Classroom as a student. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to aw.tdsb.on.ca and you're going to log in using your student number and your student password. Once you've done that and you put yourself into AW, you'll be able to go and click on Classroom to go to your classroom, or you can also click on Drive to go to your Google Drive with all of your assignments and files as well. Now that you're inside Google Classroom for the first time, you're going to see your student email here, as well as a button for continue. You can click on continue to join, and it's very important that you click on I'm a student. Once you've done that, you can now go to join your Google Classroom. If your teacher has invited you, like Mr. Bourne has here, you're going to click on join. And if your teacher hasn't, they've given you a class code, you're going to click on the plus sign and then enter a class code, and that will allow you to also join the Google Classroom. Now that you're inside, let's do a little quick tour. The stream is where your teachers will post any announcements and assignments that you have, and that will show up on the front in the main page here for you to see. You'll also see a part here that says upcoming. So if there are upcoming assignments that are due, that will be listed here for you as well. And inside any post, you'll find links, announcements, and videos. So here is an example of a link to our most recent Library of Congress update. Our next section here is classwork. If you click on classwork, you'll be able to see a list of all of your assignments and open your assignments to complete them and also turn them into your teacher. This button here is a Meet link. What you'll notice is a link here where your teacher has shared with you so that you can click on it, and that will lead you to the Google Meet whenever your teacher has scheduled one. If you want to access your Google Drive where all of your files are, you can also click on these 9 Timbits, and that will show you all of these apps so that you can click on Google Drive to open up your files.